Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to turn off ads and the personalization. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Google. Let's tap. Then let's tap on all services and scroll down to the privacy and security and find ads. So here we've got the advertising ID, and even though removing it will not limit the advertisements, it will still remove those which are personalized. So it depends whether you prefer to have personalized ads or not, but I think it's better not to have them. So first of all, I highly recommend to simply tap on Reset Advertising ID and tap on Confirm, and then delete Advertising ID. Of course, here you've got also the information what actually it is, so you can read it, and as you can see, it will be immediately removed, and the advertising, personalized adverts will be limited. Another thing which you can try to do is to actually change the notifications of the apps which are showing you the advertisements. So let's pretend I'm getting a lot of advertisements from the Play Store. So all I have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then go to this information, so app info. Now we have to go to the notifications, and here we've got the list of notifications which we are receiving from this specific app. Of course, we can enter specific categories to show the details. So try to find something which is tightly connected with the advertisements. So for example, deals or recommendations, etc., etc. And just tap on the switcher next to it to hide the notifications. Thanks to it, you will not see a lot of them. And the last thing which I recommend to do is to open the settings. Here we have to scroll and find network and internet. And right here we've got the private DNS option, so let's enter. And usually we've got this automatic option set, but let's tap on private DNS, and here in this section enter DNS dot, not DNA, DNS dot adguard.com. So thanks to it, and tap on save. Thanks to it, our device will limit the advertisements. However, be aware, because sometimes the browsers or specific websites will not allow to use the private DNS, the AdGuard, but all you have to do then is to simply turn it off, to set it on the automatic one, use the browser, and then turn it on again. Moreover, of course, I think it's quite obvious to use the Play Store and try to download any kind of AdGuard, any kind of ad blocker. Just enter AdBlock, and you can use AdBlock browser. You can also use, you can try to find the alternatives for apps in which you're getting a lot of ads. So, for example, you can use different file manager, etc., etc. I highly recommend to simply check all of those things because they are really, really useful, and they will limit the ads. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.